A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today we will be going to proceed with the next content of the story. Yesterday we read about the character. The name of the character was Mikhailovich, and we came across that something mysterious is there related to this very name. No, so we come across that there was a family. A family shifted to a new place in Russia, and it was a bit cold season, and that is why they were feeling quite cold. And you can see the picture of the fireplace. I explained you yesterday about some of the words like fireplace, furnished, groceries, then acquaintance, worn out, rug. All these words I have already taught you, no? Yesterday I have given you the meaning. So we come across that there was a place in Russia, and a family shifted to this very place. And when they entered, they found two easy chair and a sofa along with a center table. And there is um, a, a word down, that means something shabby kind of floor covering was there. And they were tired. So Satish and Meera were husband and wife. They had a children, the child whose age was 9 years, and his name was Aditya. So Aditya was feeling quite cold, and he was quite bored also. So when his mother asked him to be comfortable, he said that I am very tired and I am bored, and the reason is that they have shifted to a new place. So mother tried to make him understand by telling him that you are a child who can make friend here also very easily, so no doubt he will be going to have good friends. Then he said I am hungry, and the mother said that okay, let me check what kind of food can be supplied to you. So finally Yuri, the landlord, he came and he said that he has already sent a lady whose name was Valentina, and she is a lady who went to the grocery shop in order to bring some groceries. So as soon as she will be coming back, the mother will be going to prepare the sandwich for him. So Satish asked Meera that come here, I want to talk to you something, something which was conveyed to him. So Meera went to him, and then he said that, you know, Yuri, the landlord, he told me that beware of Mikhailovich. And as soon as he said this, the wife at once stopped him. He said that don't say, otherwise Aditya will listen to it and he will get scared. So in the meantime, Aditya said, I heard everything, I know you are talking about Mikhailovich. Now he asked, who is this Mikhailovich? And all of a sudden there is a doorbell. So Meera opened the door. Yeah, it's Valentina. To come in. And as soon as she opened, she found the lady, the cleaning lady, the lady, you can say in the other word, maid. She came inside. Where Valentina came in carrying the packets of groceries. Valentina, good evening. Welcome to Moscow. I have got the groceries. I bought the groceries. She goes into the kitchen to keep the packets. So this is how Valentina, she bought some of the groceries for the family. Valentina, I cleaned the cottage yesterday. If you need any help, I live close by. Do give me a call. Yuri is coming to meet you, and he will give you your local mobile phone and my number. So this is how Valentina was very comfortable with the new member, and then she said that I am living nearby, I have already cleaned your room, and if you want any sort of help, you please contact me. And how to contact? Then she said that Yuri, the landlord, is having a phone, and he will be going to provide a local phone to them, and in that phone she will be the call number or the contact number of Valentina will be given by Yuri. This is how she conveyed. So opened the front door and stepped out, and finally she left the room. Valentina, everything is fine here, but beware of Mikhailovich. So she opened the door, she moved out. As soon as she stepped outside, she at once turned back and she said that beware of Mikhailovich. Valentina closes the door and leaves before the family can ask the question. So she said this and she at once moved, and the family was unable to ask who this creature is. So Aditya, who is Mikhailovich? Then Satish uneasily, don't worry, I am sure it's nothing. And then father tried to make him understand that nothing is there. Don't worry, I am there. And I think that nothing is going to do any harm to them. So Aditya said, I am sure Mikhailovich is a gangster. A tall, huge man with a black hat and a machine gun. Papa, I'm scared. I wish we hadn't come. And the boy, because Mikhailovich, our name was totally different, so the boy started doing assumption. And according to his imagination, he thought that it might be a gangster, a man with a hat and a machine gun in his hand. And then he told his father that, Papa, we should not have come back to this city. Better we were there where we were. So Satish, be calm. Yuri is coming very soon. We will ask him. Meera, make a sandwich for Aditya. And then Satish said, don't worry, be calm down. And as soon as the landlord will come, I will be going to make an inquiry about Mikhailovich. And then he asked his wife that you please go and prepare the sandwich for the child. Meera going to the kitchen, of course, coming to help me. Of course, coming to help me. Then she said, then Aditya, no, we better be prepared in case Mikhailovich comes in with his gun. Papa, you don't happen to have a hidden revolver, do you? And then Mama went to the kitchen and then she asked for the help, but Aditya said no, better we prepare ourselves in case if Mikhailovich comes, then at least we should be also mentally prepared. So he made a question to his father that, Papa, do you have a hidden revolver with you? Then Satish is smiling, no son, I don't. There is a scratching sound at the front door. And when they were having a conversation, in the meantime they found that there is something which is scratching there. So a sound of scratching was there on the at the front door. So Aditya, in a panic tone, that must be Mikhailovich. What should we do? And then boy was in a very difficult situation. He was panicked, he was disturbed, and he said, must be Mikhailovich, and now what should we do? Because everybody is going on making them scary by saying that beware of Mikhailovich. Satish opening the door a little and laughing loudly, come in. Then Aditya, Papa, be careful, what are you doing? Satish opened the door and a beautiful white cat walks in regally. Now you can see regally means something in a very royal manner. So this is how when father heard the sound, he went to the front door, he opened the door, and what he found a beautiful white cat. And as soon as he opened the door, the cat walked in a very princely manner, no, in a very royal manner. She entered with the measured steps, going to the rug near the fireplace and settles there. And she went on the carpet, and then finally nearby the fireplace, the cat sat down. Satish, this cat might belong to the owner of the cottage. See how comfortable it is? And then Satish said, see how this cat is coming, and as if it is its own house. So she's so comfortable here. Then he said that it might be the maybe a pet of the landlord, the owner, that is Yuri. And that is why the cat is very comfortable here. Aditya, with a relieved sign, I was very frightened. And he looked at the cat, and still he tried to make his father understand that he is not afraid of it, but still he was frightened. Then he said, I was very frightened. Satish and Aditya share a smile. So both the father and the son, they share the smile. Meera, what was the commotion? Oh my goodness, what do we have here? What a beauty, come here. And then here, Meera, what was the commotion? Commotion means a disturbance, a noise. So Meera, she made an inquiry. What happened? Why what sort of commotion? What type of noise is there? Oh my goodness, what do we have here? What a beauty. And then she came out and said, oh my God, what is it? It's such a beautiful creature sitting nearby the fireplace. The cat ignores everyone and makes itself comfortable. And cat looked to the family members, but the cat did not react. It was very comfortable. The cat was very comfortable in that cozy area. Aditya, Mummy, we are really scared just now. The cat scratched the door and I thought it was Mikhailovich. When father opened the door, I got really scared. And then the boy revealed to his mother that, Mama, I was very much scared, because the cat scratched the door. And at that very moment, I had a thought in my mind that it might be Mikhailovich. And when father went to open the door, I was really very much scared of it. Then Mira, smiling, she said, We will clear this mystery of Mikhailovich once and for all when Yuri comes. Now, be a good boy and have your snacks. And then mother said that don't worry. As soon as Yuri will come, we will be going to clarify. We'll try to sort out this mystery. What is Mikhailovich? Who is Mikhailovich? And everything will become all right. And then she offered the breakfast to the son. Aditya goes into the kitchen and turned with a look of surprise. So he went to the kitchen because Mama offered him for the sandwich. So he went to the kitchen to bring it. But as soon as he returned back from the kitchen, there was a surprise in his face. So Aditya, Mummy, where are the sandwiches? There is an empty plate on the table. And then the boy said, Mama, what are you saying, that you prepared the snacks but nothing is there? It is the plate, our plate is empty there. Mummy was totally shocked. She was stunned. I made them just now. How could have happened? And then what could have happened? And mother said that I have just not prepared it. How can you say that the things are not there? Then Aditya, Mummy, I am terrified. Do you think Mikhailovich came in through the window, to the kitchen window, and took the sandwiches? And the boy, he was scared and he said, Mama, I'm terrified now. You see, maybe this Mikhailovich must have entered from the kitchen window and might have eaten the sandwiches. Then the doorbell rings and Satish once again went to the door and he opens the door. Satish, it's Yuri, do come in. And then Satish renounced that, okay, this is none other than the landlord. So Yuri, shaking hand with Satish, welcome to our country. I am sure you will enjoy yourself here. This cottage is very comfortable except for one thing. I see Mikhailovich has made your acquaintance, naughty boy. And then Yuri said that I know that you are feeling very comfortable and I welcome you to my country. This is a new country for you, but I am sure that you will be going to enjoy your stay in this cottage, because this cottage is very comfortable except only one thing. And then he also pointed out about the Mikhailovich. And then he said that I see Mikhailovich has, I think Mikhailovich has made your acquaintance here. So now you are quite familiar with with this creature Mikhailovich. And then Satish, Meera and Aditya, who is Mikhailovich? Again, these three family members, they made the inquiry to the landlord and they made a question to him. Yuri, pointing to the cat, here it is, he said. You see, here it is. Now, is there any food missing? He is always hungry and steal all the food in the kitchen. Beware of Mikhailovich. And then Yuri revealed that I am talking about this cat. And do you find anything missing, the food material missing in your kitchen? And then Yuri revealed that this naughty cat is very hungry and this cat always steals the things from the kitchen. Everyone burst out laughing and the look of worry on the faces of Satish and Meera disappeared. So how the story comes to an end, that it was the name is very different, no, Mikhailovich, but what was the creature? It was just a small beautiful white color cat, no? And the cat was hungry, so the cat comes and she used to feed herself by the food which were available in the kitchen. So this is how the story comes to an end. Hope you must have enjoyed this story. So as the examinations are going on, no homework, but I hope you must have understood the lessons the whole story very clearly. So tomorrow I will be going to share you the question answers. Okay, till then, take care of yourself. May God bless you.